Hello there. These are the Christmas PCBs that I made in previous Christmas seasons. In this season, I made this PCB Christmas ball ornament. It uses only a few components, so anyone can build this beautiful ornament. We can decorate Christmas trees and homes with this. Now, let's see how I made this. Let's get started with this video. Let's start with the circuit. We need a simple Astable multivibrator circuit to blink the LEDs. Here I am using 2 transistors for that. I added 6 LEDs for the blinking sequence. So here is the final circuit. Now I converted the circuit into a PCB and I outlined the PCBs just like a Christmas ball. I added a hole to tie string and also I added some Christmas icon. After the designing, our PCB looks like this. Now I downloaded the Gerber files for PCB fabrication. For PCB fabrication, I went to JLCPCB.com. I always prefer JLCPCB for PCB manufacturing because of their quality and low pricing. You can get 5 PCBs for just $2 and their other services like assembly, 3D printing are also very cheap. To order our PCBs, just click on order now. Now select the Gerber file. After uploading the Gerber file, we can select quantity, color, thickness, etc. After that, we can select the shipping method and address, then we can place the order. After 2 weeks, I received the pack from JLCPCB. You can see the PCBs. The PCBs looks nice and the quality is perfect as always. Now let's grab all the components. Then we can simply solder the components to the PCB. You can either solder the components using soldering iron or we can use reflow method. I tried both and both are very easy. Here is the assembled PCB and you can see the working. I have also assembled a couple of other PCBs with different colored LEDs, so you can see the beautiful working of these PCBs. You can download the circuit diagram and Gerber file from my site. Link is given in the video description. I am wishing happy Christmas holidays to all. So that's all about for today. Hope you enjoyed and learned something new from this video. If so, please consider supporting me by liking, sharing and subscribing. That's all up to you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.